We, as members of the Youth Commission, have identified that substance abuse is a serious problem that we face at all ages, especially within our schools. We have been running the Community Substance Abuse Forum for 5 years now at the community college in the spring, but this year we've decided to make it earlier and really try to make an impact, especially amongst parents, informing them what's out there and how to watch out for their own children.
So we'll be holding that at the HYCC this year, which is awesome. The first year that we did have it, we had it at the HYCC, and we had a lot more people showed up. So we're looking forward to having it back there in hopes that it's more accessible for people to get there. It's open to anyone on Cape Cod. It will start at 6:30 on October 24th. The Barnstable Police will be there. We're hoping to have quite a panel set up. And we'll be showing you what's out there, from the jewels to the edibles. You won't physically be able to put your hands on everything, but there's issues in this town that the Youth Commission has physically seen at every school here on Cape Cod. So come on out, get informed, know what's out there, and let the youth and our police department show you what's going on. Probably 6 years ago, started to look at what different programs they felt needed to be done and what things needed to be offered to our community. And prevention at the time with the opioid crisis was one of the top priorities. And as a result, after looking at everything, they found out there's no money appropriated at the time. There was less than 1% of any dollar going towards prevention, and that's when the Cape Cod opioid, the HBO special went out, and everybody was so disappointed in that it didn't show some of the good things that were happening in recovery, but we really needed to start doing prevention, and the youth identified that. And so the first year we tried it at the youth center, and it was packed. We had a lot of people show up. The development of the program has changed a little bit. In the first year, we just showed a film. And then we had someone come in and talk. The Youth Commission enjoyed that, and we had the numbers, but they identified other things that families might want to have. So we had Chris Heron one year. We've had, what's the name of the man? The magician. Do you remember?
Hackinson?
Yes, Hackinson.
Mr. Hackinson.
Robert Hackinson runs Dynamic Influence, and he came down. And we've done definitely a lot of different programs, but last year we had the Barnstable Police, and though the number of people that were there were very low, what they got was well received, and basically they felt there was a major demand for our community to know what, especially our parents and our teachers. Our teachers were horrified by what they saw, that they didn't know was in their classroom. It was in their classroom, and they didn't know it until they went to this program. So it's important that people be able to identify what's out there. It's really hard.
Overall, this program can really be used for anyone. Anyone who can make it in the community, in the area, should really try to be there. I mean, it'll be a very informative event for all. But I believe it has really special value to the parents and the teachers and those who interact with the youth, as it really helps identify what's out there. I mean, things change every month now, so it's really important to be on top of what's out there so you know how to help with the situation.
Yeah, the data that's out there is from 2017 is the last time. They're not keeping up with the data. The data is not what's happening today. So we're reacting, we're all responding to things that happened 2 years ago. It's like we're going into 2019. Things have changed since 2017. So we need to move a little quicker, and this will get the information out quicker.